Hi everyone, it's Rhonda with the Salem, Ohio Public Library. For today's tech video, I wanted to share a resource that you can find on our library website. It is called the Chilton Vehicle Maintenance. And what this is it is a resource that provides access to repair, maintenance, and service information on the most popular cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. It is a continuously updated resource and it provides step-by-step repair procedures, troubleshooting guides, diagnostic trouble codes, photos, and illustrations to help you better understand vehicle maintenance and repair. So let's go ahead and open this up today. And you will see that we get an area here that we can enter in our vehicle's information. So I'm going to go ahead and use mine just for this example. Once you do that, you hit select. And now you're going to see two menus up here. Up here, we have a little bit of a broader category. This is for our vehicle search, a VIN decoder. But what I really want to bring your attention to today is this video library. So over here on the left, you get your options. You can see different parts of the car. So we'll go with steering just for an example. And then you also get some videos here to help guide you along your process. There's not a video for everything, but there are a good amount of videos on here. So hopefully instead of spending all of that time on YouTube searching, this will provide you with a little bit more of a direct guideline to the problems at hand. So I'm going to go back to the home area. We're going to go back to vehicle search. Oops, I got to put this in. And when you're filling this out, it's fairly easy. You can go ahead and just type it, or you can go ahead and click on the drop-down menu. And then I'm going to show you the second menu. So the second menu here shows these are different areas that you can go ahead and click on the repair. Okay. And then it'll kind of give you some tips on how to move forward in your repair. Okay. And then you can also go over to maintenance. And what this does is it asks you to sort of kind of narrow down more specifics about your vehicle. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit normal here. And then it kind of shows you what you should do every 7,500 miles to keep your car in tip-top shape. And then it also gives you recommendations for the 15,000 mile mark as well. So this can help you kind of lengthen your vehicle's life, and you can keep it updated so that you don't have some more serious problems later on. And the last thing I want to show you with this is the labor estimating tab. And what this does is it gives you an average time for the dealer, right? So here, if they were fixing both of the door latches here, it would take approximately 1.3 hours. But Chilton kind of goes off of like a national average. So the average here would be about 1.8 hours or close to 2. So this will help you get a little bit more of a price range when you call certain places to get an estimate on your vehicle. And then lastly, this will help you narrow down any recalls for your particular vehicle. You just fill in the information here and it will let you know if there are any particular recalls for that vehicle. Okay, everyone. Once again, if you have any questions, you can reach me at the library on Tuesdays and Thursdays, or you can follow us on Facebook. If you want to leave comments and suggestions about future videos, feel free to do so. Or if you just need a little more extra help on learning some of these online resources, I would be more than happy to do that for you. Okay, everyone, have a nice day.